Hey guys, my name's Hayley and I'm the owner of Ray White Biwa and Ray White Malula Valley out here on the Sunshine Coast, Queensland. And I've been using Jigglar for such a long time, since I very first started out as a personal assistant. But well before that, we were using daggy old Microsoft Word, and we were making our templates and everything on there for our just solds and our just listeds and everything else. And it was horrible. There's such a lack of tools and creativity, and nothing ever came out the way I imagined. And I'm not a very good technology person. If someone asks me to print something, they're probably doomed. So I found this amazing thing called Jigglar, and I've never looked back. You go on there, you have a massive range of templates ready for you. You can click it, your brand colors are already applied in there. You click one little button and it just changes the whole thing for you. Your contact details are in there. It's incredible. But when I first started, I think the most amazing thing in Jigglar was the fact that you could create a little circle and put a little picture in there of yourself, and it was just so easy. I loved it, and I would absolutely recommend using it. It's just incredible. And even if there's a template there that you don't quite like, you can just jump on in, you can change things around, and it will still only take you like 5 or 10 minutes. And now, being the owner of Ray White Biwa and Ray White Malula Valley, I have a lot to do and I need to save as much time as possible. So I go in there and I can create my just listeds, my just solds, my sales books, my window cards, pre-listing kits, listing kits, absolutely all the information and market reports and things like that for my clients and for my agents' clients. So it's absolutely incredible. I would 100% recommend you signing on to Jigglar with me and myself, many other people in the world who are smart enough to use it, because it's just great. I honestly couldn't imagine life without it. Thank you so much to the team at Jigglar. You've made my life so easy. Thank you.